understand, go play outside. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, I'm your Kuya Balloon Twister. We're going to call me Kuya Balloon Boy, and we're going to have a balloon show. Yan, so all the parties are alright po. Pumapwestuhin ko po sila dito sa lapaging gilsid. Okay na po ba sa mga parents? Okay na po, so all the parents. And all the children dito na sa floor. Okay na po ba ma'am sa floor? O, lahat ng kids, all the kids are here. And please, you can sit here. You can sit, very good. Alright. Alright, listen kids. Now we're going to show we're going to have a guessing game also. And all you have to do is guess what kind of object or animal or anything Kuya Balloon Boy is making using the balloons. Are you clear? And in regards to him answering what kind of balloon is that, all you have to do is raise your